Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. You've heard of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. The technologies continue to grow across all industries. But the biggest questions are, why should we use it? How do you use it? And can you make money with it? At the recent Manufacturing in America conference, automation company Siemens explains how they're helping the industry industrialize additive manufacturing through digitalization.
Making sure that how you're going to manufacture whatever it is, so for this, printing, right? How to make sure that the first time is right. Simulation, build prep, understanding how you design it, that's in the virtual world. And then to the machine, how do you bring that piece to the machine and feedback that process?
With decades of experience, Siemens is bringing emerging technologies to scaled production and says it's built an ecosystem to guide customers on their journey.
It's changing what you can do now. You aren't so constrained with what we've been doing for the last 30 years.
Siemens is a supplier for the market and a large user of additive manufacturing. They offer end-to-end solutions, product integration, production, and performance, with the goal of bringing the real and virtual worlds together. And they say additive manufacturing is perfect for that.
Well, there's added benefits of what you can do with 3D printing, from the materials, from the geometries, from the structures that you can do. So it opens up a whole new world.
The company says its portfolio provides an industrial AM tool chain that seamlessly integrates software and automation solutions. This allows for flexibility and functionality for customers.
Customization and flexibility of innovation. Those are the two big things. How do you design a part? How do you really quickly change that part because of whatever functionality characteristic that you need? Additive manufacturing is perfect for that.
Siemens leverages the power of its ecosystems by working with partners. They want to see additive in action and pose a challenge to make better parts for environmentally friendly and energy-saving electrified vehicles. And Siemens is on a mission.
How do we support machine builders and machine users so that it's not just a cheapo solution set on a little island, but instead, how can you use industrial-grade ruggedized solution sets so you can support your customers and you as a machine user can use them for the long term?
Thanks so much, Zachary, for taking the time to speak with us. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you all next time.